Anyway, y'all, I am so excited, you guys. Welcome to a moving vlog. Your girl is moving. I'm moving. I'm excited. 2 days ago, I was not, but now I'm getting real. I am so excited. But today is moving day, and so right now I'm about to go to the bank, and I gotta get a cashier's check. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a cashier's check. And then after that, I'm trying to see if I want some iced coffee or some hot coffee. I woke up this morning with hot coffee on my mind, on my tongue. Like, I was like, why wouldn't I have some hot coffee? Because I've been drinking iced coffee for so long, but I ain't had no hot coffee in so long, y'all. It's been a minute. It's like been a minute. So, but decide on what I want to drink. And then after that, I'm gonna go back to the house, do a few things, and then get ready for my appointment to go ahead and sign the paperwork, do the walkthrough, and do all the things. So I'm very excited about that. I'm so excited about that, y'all. But anyway, I just wanted to come on here and just let you guys say welcome to another vlog. It is a moving vlog. So let me go ahead and do all these ones and twos, and I'll pop back on, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I just left the bank and got the cashier's check. So I'm so excited. So now I'm about to head back to the house and pick up my cleaning supplies and do a few more things at the house, and then get ready to go to the actual get ready to go to the place. So I'm so excited to pick up the keys and do all those wonderful things. Yeah, I'm really excited about it. I am gonna do like I'm gonna look at the apartment first to see what do I have to do as far as like a move in clean. Hopefully I don't have to do that much, but I'll determine it. But that's gonna be a separate video. I'm just gonna do like a move in clean video, so that's gonna be separate. But you guys will get a chance to see what the unit look like, and I'm excited, y'all. I'm very excited. Like, oh my god, y'all just don't know. But yeah, words can't explain, y'all. Ooh, I'm so excited, y'all. But yeah, Hey y'all. Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all. Yep, y'all, we in my place. We are officially moved in. Okay, well, not officially moved in, but y'all seen the montage at this point. But y'all, I done blessed my house, prayed on my house. I done had a full praise moment, conversation with God. This is such a blessing. Y'all, when I tell you, I'm so happy and God is so good, you just don't know how I have been waiting on this day for so long. So long. So when I did my pre-check, I noticed that the house is not even dirty, really. It's nothing, I mean, a quick clean was fine. I don't have to really do any deep cleans. I haven't focused on the cabinets or anything like that because y'all, the time is going by so fast. I need to get back to the house because we're actually gonna move my closets tonight. So I need to get back to the house and do that. And so I'm just like, okay, I just did a quick clean, which is good. I did pack my car so I can have a few items to put into the home. And y'all, everything just looked like almost like, oh my God, when my furniture get in here, y'all, it's gonna look real different. I'm like, oh my God, y'all, let me tell y'all something about moving and, you know, buying stuff for your home. Y'all get y'all some good statement pieces, like some good, big, nice statement pieces. That's all you need. You don't need a whole lot. But anyway, so y'all, they gave me a I got me a welcome home gift. I'm not gonna open it yet. I said I'm gonna save this before I open it. Like probably once I get to my first night here, take me a bubble bath, you know, have my whole like first night in my house type of deal in my new place. I'm gonna open it, but I think this was so sweet. This was very sweet, very sweet. So I can't wait to open up that. What else? God, I just thank you. You know, it's been a struggling year for me. And I'm just so glad that you have gotten me to this point now that I've been hoping for and wishing for. And I thank you, God, for this. I'm so happy, y'all. So I just wanted to pop in and let you guys know where I am. I'm going to give you a glimpse of what the place looks like. Let me give you guys a glimpse of what it looks like. I'm not gonna do a whole empty house tour and all that. Honestly, I ain't got time, y'all, but this is what it looks like. Just a little overview. Y'all gonna get all of that, so you'll end up seeing the apartment at some point. So, but this is where we are. This is her, this is she. It's a 2-bedroom. Y'all, we are finna have fun in this place. You hear me? We are finna be doing some decorating. It's gonna be so much fun. So yeah, I'm finna go back to the house. Y'all, be honest with y'all, I don't know if I'm gonna pop back on tonight because it's just a lot of moving pieces that's gonna be going on right now. And I just wanna make sure that I stay focused and not try to be in and out the camera. So if you do see something, maybe some montage. If not, I will definitely check back in with y'all tomorrow. I can see one of the things that's gonna be an issue is we're not gonna have a lot of lighting in here. But it's okay. You know, that's what they make ring lights for. But yeah, so I'm going to see you guys in the very next clip because I gotta get out of here. The day is really passing by. I gotta go. So I'll see y'all next clip. Hey y'all. I did not pop back on here last night because what do? We came back here, tried to hook up my internet, couldn't do that. So I'm back at my apartment and I'm trying to, I'm waiting for AT&T to come. They're supposed to come between 12 and 4. I just left the house. The movers are still there, wrapping my furniture and packing everything. So they should be getting here shortly. But I'm just sitting here waiting on the AT&T guy. I hope that they get here sooner than later. Because when they give you that 4-hour time frame, child, they'll be here 30 minutes before the ending time. I don't want to be sitting in this house all day. I got so much more to do, y'all. But I was thinking, because I'm sitting here waiting. I ain't got nowhere to sit. It's besides the floor, of course, but I ain't got no chairs in there. But as I'm sitting here waiting, y'all, I'm just thinking about how I'm gonna decorate this place. Y'all, my OCD is kicking in so bad until it's crazy. I'm so glad I took time off work because I can't even function, y'all. So everything is moved, just everywhere, okay? So AT&T came and my internet is up and going, but my house looks so crazy, y'all. My OCD is kicking in bad. Let me show y'all what your girl is working with, okay? Stuff everywhere. It's just, yeah. Y'all. Ooh, y'all. So now what I'm gonna do is I am going to get the hell out of this house. I can't do nothing. I can't do nothing. It's just this is too much. I don't even know where to start. My brain can't even function. I think the only thing I'm probably gonna accomplish tonight is my patio, because everybody can see my patio on the outside. So that's all I'm gonna do, and maybe work on my clothes. But I'm gonna get up out this house. And we're gonna go to Walmart. I need to go to Walmart, and I need to get a microwave, which I don't need to get the microwave today, but I gotta go find. My must is getting what you call it? Dang, I can't even think. What is the name of the thing at the top of my mind? A mount for my TV. Because my son, he still has to mount the TV so the TV in the living room has to be mounted, and the TV in my bedroom. So I definitely need to go pick up a mount. That's what I'm gonna do. And as far as shopping for anything else, I cannot do it because it's just a mess in here. Like, yeah. You don't realize how much stuff you got until it starts fitting into your apartment. And I'm like, man, everything is just a lot. So yeah, y'all, I don't know what's gonna happen at the rest of this vlog. I might end it right here. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I don't want to keep prolonging my moving vlog. This is moving vlog part 1, because honestly, I'm probably gonna and I don't know if I said this, y'all. I do have on the same clothes I had on yesterday, but believe me, they are clean. I washed them. This is what you call a moving outfit. This was my moving outfit, but I washed them and everything, and just put on the same thing. So, what time is it? It's actually 3 o'clock. I haven't eaten anything. I had a smoothie earlier today. I'm not necessarily hungry. I broke a nail, and these nails are so cute. So I need to make sure I get some nail glue, because I did save the nail. Yeah, y'all, we are in our new home. I am gonna go to Home Depot and get some LED lights, and make sure I can get some brighter lights for the house, because it needs to be brighter in here. Yeah, I'm so tired. I'm real tired. I'm not necessarily tired. It's just I don't do well in chaos. Y'all, my anxiety's off the roof. But I'm gonna give myself some grace. I gotta give myself some grace to work through all of this. So anywho, we're about to go to Walmart, and you guys, I'm probably gonna get me something to eat. I'm so tired of eating out. I've been eating out for the last 4 days, and it's just driving me crazy. Cause y'all know I have been cooking my food. I miss cooking my meals. But again, I got time. I need to woosah, digress a little bit. And so yeah. So if I come back, then you guys get a little bit more footage. If not, we're gonna end the vlog here.